Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 50, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. So to get started, you will need to grab one of these things, a SIM eject tool, which comes provided with the device in the box. Obviously, that's one of the ways you can do it. Another way is just using a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. And once you got one of those, you want to pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom, right over here. So simply push the pin in. And as you can see, the tray just pops out a tiny bit, enough for you to grab it and take it out. Now on the tray we have space for, let me just quickly look at it, come up close. So it looks like we only have space for two different SIM cards. There's not even a nano memory space on here, so yeah. Anyway, when it comes down to SIM card, you can occupy either one side. It doesn't really matter which one you choose, both will work. So there we go, clip the card in like so, with the chip side up, and from there let's insert it back into our phone. It should start working automatically, so there we go. Gonna confirm my PIN for the SIM card, and there we go, and it's now unlocked and working. And that is how you insert your SIM card into this phone. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.